If you wanted to share your table but not share the spreadsheet here that you're working with all your raw data on, what you can do is you can come to your chart. So click on the chart tab here, and we can click on copy chart. So I've just copied that. Now I'm going to come across and I'm going to make a new Google Doc and give it a name. So it's my my animal data document, and I'm just going to paste it into here. Now we've got some options here. You can link to spreadsheet or paste unlinked. And if you think your data is going to change over time, then the option is to link to spreadsheet. So I'm going to click paste. And here's my document and my chart in here, and I can obviously put some other text underneath. But when I click and select the tables, let's just put some other text in here so I can, I can be doing other information about this, referencing my table. It says here it's a linked chart. So what we can do is test that. So I'm just going to come back to here, and I'm going to come back to my sheet 3, and I'm going to convert that 34 that we did before to 70. And we know that the data is going to change on here, but did it change on my document? And if I click on here, can you see it says, it tells me there's an update. So I click on update, and my chart automatically changes and the formatting changes as well. So keeping as a live link means that you can share this document with other people, but people won't have access to your data.